Well, I'm out at camp for the night and fixing myself up for supper here. And I got a trick I want to show you guys. I'm gonna make some bacon here real quick. So I got some snacks for the road. I'm eat a few pieces of this tonight as well. Maybe warm some up in the morning with my breakfast. We'll see if I won't eat all this tonight. But the trick I want to show you is with cheese in an omelet. Or in your eggs, in your scrambled eggs. It doesn't really matter. Matter of fact, we may just make it in scrambled eggs tonight, just to kind of feature how non-stick the skillet really is, even with cheese stuck to the bottom of it. So we'll get this bacon fixed, and then we'll talk about this cheese trick I want to show you that'll work with kit you probably already have. All right, so we've got our bacon cooked up now. We're going to set it aside here. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to dump this grease off in the fire pit real quick, because we're not going to need all this grease, obviously, for our eggs. So dump most of that out. And now, get this out of here. And then, I'm gonna come back in here, get a couple eggs in here. Get the old Pathfinder spatula and get these scrambled up a little bit here. These eggs will quite literally cook almost on just in this skillet if we turn the fire completely off. So I pull them off to the side here. You can see I'm scraping the crap out of this thing with a metal spatula. And I'm not worried about that one bit. Scratching that skillet. This thing is made for this. That case hardening, what does that, okay? So let's let these eggs sit here for just a minute. I'll put them off the heat a little bit, off to the side here. Because what I want to show you is the trick with the cheese. All right, so we got some block cheese here, just some Cabot's extra sharp. What I want to show you is this cook rack, okay? And these cook racks are nothing new. These things have been on the market since the 1930s, but they weren't on the market as cook racks. They had a handle on them that you could hold on to, and they were called safety graters. And you can use that thing today even to come in here and grate your cheese. Just like this, that you want to put in your eggs. And you just run it against there and slide it right off. All right, that literally took no time to do that. Now we'll put it back over to heat a little bit. Get them eggs scrambled up good. Again, do not be afraid to scrape that skillet, that spatula. You're not going to hurt that thing any. Those dudes are flat ready, okay? We can eat right out of the skillet, like I said. Oh, man. So good. Well, bacon. Golly. You ain't kidding, boy. Woo. Carnivore. So good. I'm here to tell you, boys, fantastic. That sharp cheddar sets them eggs right off. Man. All right, so we poured a little water in our skillet here. Our gas back on. Light that dude up. Got water going in the meantime. Anything that might be left on the sides, I'll just scrape it off there real quick. Scrape it down to that water. Again, I'm scraping this thing with a metal tool, okay? You don't need to worry about it. It's case hardened steel. This is not a normal skillet. This is restaurant quality stuff. You do not have to season this ever if you don't want to. You can just season it by cooking in it like I have. And it really comes unseasoned because I wipe it out all the time. So, I mean, it's not really like I'm cooking a bunch of seasoning in this thing. But if you want to season it, you can season it just like any other cast iron or steel. But it's not a necessity at all to do that, okay? So now I'm just going to get this thing hot. Get that water hot in there real quick to wipe it out. And clean off this spatula and these tongs that we use. Get them kind of rinsed off good. This is our folding spatula and tongs. They'll fit either one of these skillets just fine. Either this carbon steel one or a stainless steel one. They were designed for the stainless steel one, but they'll work with either one. And again, you don't have to worry about metal utensils on this skillet whatsoever. So now we're just gonna take this water that's hot. We're gonna dump it on the ground, and we're gonna wipe this thing clean with a rag, just like this. Once we've wiped it clean, new money. All right, guys, we're gonna get this cleaned up, get our stove put up, things like that, get that taken care of, and then we're gonna crawl into the rooftop tent for the night here. It just got dark a little while ago. Got really about 2 or 3 hours before I'm gonna wanna sleep, so I'm probably gonna put a good book in my hand, turn the light on in the old rooftop tent, and read myself to sleep. I appreciate you guys joining me for this video, and just going to be one of the videos in the series on our overlanding trip to Florida and HangCon as well. I uploaded a short today of my first stop, which was at Self-Reliance Outfitters, to drop some stuff off. You can check out that short if you want to. And there'll be longer videos like this one as well. I'll try to put stuff up daily or every other day as I can during the trip. I appreciate your support, appreciate your views. Thank you for everything you do for our school, for family, and for business. All of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And I'll be back with another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.